Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to make a roast butternut squash soup. It's a very long name, but it's actually very easy to make. All you need to do is just buy some butternut squash, which is readily available at the moment in the shops, and roast them for about 50 minutes. You may roast them like this. Okay, to this color if you want, for extra flavor. These burnt bits here are extra flavor. How did I do it? I just drizzled it with some oil and a little bit of salt, and then turned upside down, skin on top, and then put it in the oven. And then we add our other ingredients. So for the firstly, we need to saute some onions and garlic with a little bit of olive oil. It's very easy to make. And I like my soup garlicky and oniony. So you can go as far as 8 cloves of garlic. It doesn't matter. Okay, so heat up the oil, and then onion first before the garlic. You don't want to burn your garlic. So yeah, it will. I think that's translucent and soft enough. Now we can add in our garlic. So I reckon that's about 4 cloves. Let's just make it right, not too garlicky this time, because we want the butternut squash flavors to come out rather than these ingredients. These are just supporting actors in the main film. So there we go. I think it's ready. Now let's transfer our ingredients to the blender. There you go. Should be straightforward. That was heavy. Ow. Okay. And then let's scoop some of the squash. Look at how the spoon glides in. It's really soft. Right, and then we add our stock. So I'll just use a regular vegetable stock. And then we can save some later to adjust the consistency of our soup. And then the fun bits, we need to add some nutmeg. That's enough. And some maple syrup. Right, so that's it. So normally we would finish this with a bit of cream, but one thing that I discovered with this recipe is it's much better if you finish it with a bit of butter. And there you are, and there you have it. There you have it. This is the roasted butternut squash, which you can serve immediately, or you can keep it in the freezer if you want. And you can also put a little bit of olive oil, just about a teaspoon, and parsley for presentation.